Hey girlies, come on in here with me. Let's get ready real quick. Now, I am a hardworking wife, mama 6, and a hairstylist, so I don't have a lot of time to get ready. I like to keep things pretty and simple. If you too are a hardworking mom, wife, or hairstylist, or whatever it is you do, and you want to join the community, all you have to do is hit the subscribe button and maybe you part of the YouTube family.
If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my hand, I feel my heart beat, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. Feel your hands, the way you're touching me around my neck. Got chills down my back, you do it right. The way you're holding me, no, I don't want this moment to stop. No need to fight it, I cannot hide it. We won't regret it, so come with me. Maybe we're meant to be a perfect melody, and I don't want this moment to stop. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough. I can't get enough. Oh, it's all about us, it's all about us. It's all about us, it's all about us. Time to go home, don't want this night to end. Yeah, about time we stop pretending. Come home with me, let's write a history. Tonight I'll make you see. It's all about us, it's all about us. As we're dancing close together, making out. It's all about us, it's all about us. There's a magic in your eyes, can't get enough, can't get enough. Lights are shining bright, my friends are in the club, we'll go all night. I see you in the back, the mood is right. If I just had your number, I would let you know how I feel. You walk up to me, start dancing to the music, energies like this was meant to be. Take my
Shout out to everybody who made it this far. If you did, leave me a heart in the comments. And listen, I love to see where people all over the world is running across my content and is chatting with me. Like, I love that. I love the community here. So hit the subscribe button and I'll see you guys later.